Touchless Taco Bell could be the future of drive-thrus. I saw this one, and it reminded me of another one that we did where we were looking at some of the most unusual fast food locations around the world. I think they were McDonald's. Mm-hmm. And there was one in an airport in Australia where the kitchen was up top and then the food got delivered down low.
Right.
I was curious if that's the way this one works. This is a Taco Bell drive-through, but you drive underneath the restaurant through a number of aisles. And it looks like it's like sort of just off the highway. And there's 4 actually stalls. So you can speed through ultimate convenience type of scenario. And this is a render of what it will look like. It's coming to Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. Late night munchies will be a little easier to satisfy for mobile customers at Taco Bell's new touchless drive-through restaurant.
There's some facts over here, I guess, in this article, yeah.
4 drive-through lanes, 3 of which are dedicated to mobile or delivery orders. The 4th lane is a traditional drive-through where you place your order at a kiosk. So they're really trying to get you to order as you arrive so it's even faster. Mm-hmm. You just have a QR code, you scan when you place your order and pull forward and receive the food. So it's going to be speedy. Delivered from the elevated kitchen via a proprietary lift system similar to pneumatic tubes used by those bank branches. So the food is...
With that sound?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. The entire process is contactless, although two-way audio video technology will let you interact with an employee in real time. So it's super futuristic. You don't even see or anything. I guess the window opens up and you just grab your food and that's it.
Shout out to the color scheme. If they're going to use it, no one uses purple, right? So
in
good on
fast
them.
food?
Yeah.
Well, Taco Bell gets to own purple exclusively.
I mean,
are you sure about this? I feel like it's possible that no?
It's always possible.
Yeah, it's always possible.
But the fact that they use it, it's a nice touch.
Yeah, the purple and black, it has a very futuristic look to it. Absolutely. Mm-hmm.